Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Login Delete. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on Android. Now let's jump straight into the process. You can just simply go to the settings. At the top you can see that search bar, type there hidden apps. Now tap on this option hidden apps. Now from here you can easily hide apps by turning on this icon. You can see that I have already hid one app, that is Tango. Likewise, you can easily turn on this icon and hide your app. I am hiding Instagram, Facebook Lite, and it is done. This is a very easy and simple way. Also, you can use another method, that is you can just download this Microsoft Launcher app and you can hide it. You can get this app easily from the Play Store. You can see that I have already downloaded it. After you download this app, you just have to open it. Tap on Get Started. Allow Microsoft Launcher to access the device location. Here I'm gonna choose only this time. Allow access photos and media on your device. I'm gonna set it to allow. Tap on Continue. Skip. Tap on Not Now. Pick your favorite apps and then tap on Continue. Tap on Let's Go. And now it is done. Now what you have to do is long press on your screen after you launch this app. At the bottom you can see this option of Launcher Settings. Tap on it. Now at the top you can see that search bar, type there hidden apps. And then it appears. Now tap on hide apps. Now from here you can easily select the app that you want to hide. You can simply add apps by just tapping on it. I'm gonna add notes, phone, photos. I'm gonna hide them. After you are done, tap on done. In this way you can easily hide apps on Android. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.